is Infinix 08 watt band. Watch the end. Infinix 08 was launched in August 2020. It runs on Android version 10, and the upfront features the display, a 6.85-inch IPS LCD display with a pill-shaped cutout for the dual 48MP wide and 8MP ultra-wide selfie cameras with flashlights. And also the back features of this phone, it have 4 cameras, that's 64MP wide, 8MP ultra wide, 2MP macro, 2MP depth, and it have 8 gig RAM. The storage is 128 gig and can be later expandable, and the battery comes in at 45 mAh and support a 3W supercharge. And this phone also support the Type-C port of this phone. It can be used, flash drive can be used on it. And also the chipset of this phone is MediaTek LG90, and is the best mid-range gaming chipset in the market, and this is going to be a huge advantage in Infinix 08. And the weight of this phone is 205 grams, and also have side mounted fingerprint scanner, SR jack, Wi-Fi, and the colors of this phone comes in 3: the silver diamond, black diamond, green diamond. And the price of this phone as of now is $250, and that's 100,000 plus in naira. And again, to my main question of this video is that is this phone worth buying? Yes, it is worth buying, because the MediaTek LG90 chipset along 90Hz display are impressive features to a phone in this price range, and this will be a good option for all gamers out there. I recommend this phone for everyone. And if you like my content and after watching this video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.